ऑल इंडिया फुटबॉल फेडरेशनान शिटकावणी दिले उपरांत गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेन आता संघटनेच्या संविधानात दुरुस्ती करपाचें थारायलां। AIFFन तांकां नॅशनल स्पोर्ट्स कोडांत घालून दिल्ली मार्गदर्शक तत्वां पाळपाक सांगल्यात।
In our statutes, it is well laid down that whatever directions, whatever advices come from the All India Football Federation, as members of the federation, we are duty bound to honor them. Now, this letter came on 18th of May, 17th of May 2018. By this letter, it is very clearly laid down that our constitution has to be amended and has to be brought at par with the Football Federation constitution. The All India Football Federation has given us instructions to see that the National Sports Code and the model guidelines laid down therein are followed. In the light of these circumstances, the Executive Committee of the Goa Football Association decided that it will not take much time.
इतल्याने बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।